Hello, this video is going to be about YMAX, stock ticker YMAX, and my current investment into YMAX. Now today is December 19th, 2024. It's a Thursday, declaration day for YMAX and a bunch of other stocks associated with Yieldmax. And therefore, December 20th is pay date. Now, did everyone enjoy the FOMC meeting? I know I didn't participate, though. If you were to buy a $1 option on both sides, a call and a put, you would have made $800 holding to the end of the day on one option. So 10 options, amazing profit. 100 options, $8,000, 1,000 options. So if you were a gambler and you're like, F it, $1,000 on these $1 put options, you made $80,000. Insane in the membrane. And I am going to be buying $1 options on FOMC meeting from here on out to the end of my lifetime, because that shit is ridiculous. In the meantime, I invest into Yieldmax, YMAX, stock ticker YMAX. Why? Because they trade so I do not have to. Every week, they pull in a profit. Meanwhile, I could look at options all day long and lose money left and right. Lose $10 here, lose $10 there, lose $10 everywhere. Meanwhile, I am scheduled to get a profit of $129 this week, just simply doing nothing but investing. I love it. There are many people online that will tell you that, yeah, but the NAV, the NAV, the net asset value is going down. Yeah, well, the NAV is based on the major stock indexes of the market, like Tesla, Nvidia, Amazon, Google. Are these stocks going to go away in your future? Most likely not. Okay? So if the stock market goes to zero, YMAX will go to zero. Alright? But if the stock market goes to the heavens, YMAX is going to go to the heavens. So why not profit along the way without the hassle of logging in every day to check your options to see if you made money or not? And or, you could be like the YouTube Vincent guy. That Vincent guy that spends thousands on option plays manages to win more often than not, which is amazing. But I just can't. I can't do it. I can't watch paint dry. All right. Watching the stock market, entering options is very thrilling. Too thrilling for me. It gets my heart racing a little bit too much. I can't handle it emotionally. I can't handle it physically. And therefore, with my investment into YMAX, I can sit back and relax. I don't have to put thousands up on the table every so often when I think a stock is at a level. All right. This is YMAX. It's built for people like me. I could trade. I could join a Discord. I could pay a couple $100 per yearly investment into a Discord. I could sit in the Discord. I could wait for an alert. I could fill an option during an alert. Okay. I could do all that. But I choose not to. That is the big difference with YMAX. I choose not to. It's not as lavish. You don't lose as much money. You don't gain as much money. But back to the FOMC. We're back to October prices. Okay? Everything in October. Okay, so if you were in stocks, the underlying stocks, you're back to October prices in the underlying stock. So if you didn't sell after the November rally, the Trump rally, some people are calling it, you just lost all your gains. Meanwhile, in YMAX, I don't care. I got paid $200, $200, $100, $130, $200, $250, $200, $100, $129, $130. Okay, and next week, if the price is, if the same dividend per share is going to be the same, around the same, I'm going to be paying $100. So let's discuss. The price of YMAX is now around $17.50, $17.30. So I think it's around $17.30 as of right now. Here's the SPY. And remember, we pretended we invested in the SPY as opposed to YMAX. Now, you're currently down on your investment of the SPY. Sorry about the dog, playing with the toy. You're currently down on your investment in the SPY if you invested at the same time you invested into YMAX, okay? So meanwhile, I collected all these dividends in YMAX. You collected a couple dividends in the SPY, but not nearly as much as in YMAX. Okay, so YMAX is, oh yeah, I was supposed to check. Yeah, 1729, 1730. Okay. So let's highlight this row. I have 930 shares as of today. I bought 6 shares as a result of the dividend being paid out today. I bought prematurely. I spent the money that I was going to get from my dividend today, and I will get my dividend money tomorrow. Makes sense? Makes sense. My total dividends collected as of today is $3,469. That's much more money than I've ever made trading in my lifetime, and I've only started trading a couple years ago. And then Yieldmax arrived. This video is getting quite long, I know. I went on a tirade because I went on a tirade. Alright, so I've been collecting data on my reinvestments. So these orange columns right here are my reinvestments. So right now I'm only down $61 in my reinvestment. So like all my money reinvested from the dividend, $3,400, is only down $61. And that money is working towards more dividends. Okay? It's not a yield trap. It's literally not a yield trap. It's a tool. It's a function. It's a vehicle to utilize your money to get more money from premium, from options. I don't know why people keep shitting on it. It's like the golden goose, man. It's the golden goose. So yada yada yada. Everyone only cares about the open profit net gain. If you sold everything, if you sold all your shares, yes, I only made $1,000, but I still made $1,000. All right, so let's go back up to the SPY. If I sold at $5.96, I made $1,000. I'm out of the position. That would have been November 1st. All right, I would have had to sell November 1st if I held until today. I'm pretty sure I'd be negative. Pretty sure I'd be negative. Dog, you're gonna ruin my computer. Correction, I wouldn't be negative. The SPY is at 586, I said. At 584, I have $984 profit. I literally made the same amount as if I bought the SPY. At the same time, and then I still have to sell the SPY, but the SPY took such a dip, you're probably considering on buying the SPY right now. Case closed. Checkmate. Sayonara.